So hi, hello everyone, welcome back for Logical Sayu. So today in this video we are going to discuss about a ring light with tripod stand, and it is a very flexible price. You can buy it in a very easy way. Why? Because it is too much cost effective, and I going to unbox this and show everything detail methods of this and what's quality of this, discuss detailedly about this. And so stay tuned in this video. Why? Because at the last of the video I am going to tell you what is the price of this tripod purchase. So without wasting time, let's start a video. So in this we are going to unbox this. So first we need to remove this all the packings. Yeah, it has been the wrappers, we need to remove it. Be quick, I don't want to waste the time. I'll fast forward this, and as you can see it has been too much height. In basic also in base the minimum height is only it is 2 feet, and I feel that it has been too much strength. Yeah, when compared to my last tripod it is too much strength here. Let's see once we see. Now let's see this. Yeah, as you can see the basic height of this tripod is 2 feet. Wow, the quality is also too good. It is lightweight and easy to handle, easy to shift anywhere, flexible. Yeah, it is basic minimum height is 2 feet. Let's see the height of this maximum height. Yeah, it is too much height. Let's stand this in a ground. I will set this in a ground on a feet. So yeah, as you can see I set this on a ground. The maximum height of this is 7 feet. Yeah, it is fantastical. Let's see the light of this ring light. Wow, it has a 3 modes of lightings in this. Yeah, to fill ring fill light. So let's see this. Once we get out we can see this. Let's take it out. Too much excited. Wow, yeah, it is pins. As you can see the 360-degree mobile or a camera handler. It is too much important in any type of ring that we need to have a 360-degree of mobile handler. And as you can see I'm folding in a 360 direction. We need to fit it. It will be not fixed, it will be remotely accessed. Once we need to take out, once we need to fit means we can take it. It is not a built-in, it is a removable. And this is one of the most important, the handler of in between the ring light and a tripod is it is also 360-degree rotating. Don't tight it too much because it will be threads will be slip, or the plastic button holders drivers may damage. So tight it for a 90 to 95%. Yeah, as you can see I'm tightening it. Don't tight it too much harder. Then we need to fix it on a tripod. In this also don't tight too much, just tight it slowly, smoothly, up to 90 to 95% only you need to tight. If you tight too much means the plastic coating threads will be there, no, the handler of the threads, it will be got damaged, then it will be not fit for use. So as you can see I have been use this, and let's let's tight it. So be careful with this. If it has not been fallen on the ground, if had been fallen means everything will collapsed. So it is a good time for me, it has been not fallen on ground. So you need to tight it. Just don't tight it too much, just tight it 90%. You can see the handler, the 360-degree rotator handle. Wow, fantastic, what a beautiful view of this. You can handle it a mobile phone or a camera, everything you can add place on it. So let's see. In this the adapter has been not given for a light. I have been using in my mobile charger adapter of Vivo. You can use yours. In this they have not given adapter. Once we switch on it and plugged in a, we need to on it. As you can see this is a minimum brightness of this. You can, once you click on above plus button it will increase and decrease, and the middle button is mode button. There are 3 modes in this: white, gray and light pink. So if you are happy with this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.